Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. So again there is a one vacancy come up in HCL Tech Lucknow location. So today in this video I'm going to discuss about the eligibility criteria. What should you have to keep to go to the HCL Tech for an interview. So let's get started guys. So the interview is going to be conducted on 4th of September guys. Okay, 4th of September you'll have to reach to the office at HCL Tech campus. You can directly search on Google where is basically location is. So directly you will get the location of HCL Tech Lucknow. And the candidate will be like the totally fresher is required over here. The vacancy is for the basically fresher. If you are basically non-technical like BA, BCom, BSc, if you have done these things like a non-technical profile, this vacancy is for the non-technical basically. So if you have a BA, BCom, BSc, this kind of degree you have, you can directly reach to the office on 4th of September 2025. So along with that you have to keep Aadhaar card and one of resume, one or two resume or one or two copy of Aadhaar card. These things you'll have to keep in your hand, and that's all guys. There is much more, there is not requirement much more things. This is all you have to keep it. Okay, and the work will be like data management kind of a work you will have to handle. There will be a database and you will have to basically arrange all those things related to these things. The company is going to give you the complete training, what is the complete process and how you can do it, everything which is given by the organization. Okay, so you don't have to be worried for that. There is no much requirement. If you have a good communication skill and if you are able to communicate with the people or HR, you can go directly to the office and give your interview on 4th of September. Okay, so thank you so much guys for again watching this video. Subscribe to my channel for more update. Thank you.